ले ले जेब से।
कोई टॉयलेट चलते हैं वहाँ तो वॉशरूम मतलब वॉशरूम में डस्टबिन होगा ही।
वॉशरूम में डाल दो।
हाँ वही यार। रुकना 4 मिनट।
There are many postcards in variety of languages. This room, and we have film staff profile over there. So just look at them and just wait for a while until the next room is ready. Next room doors are over there. Could you move over there?
पूरी देख ले। ये देख रहा है ये वाली।
मैंने जब पूछी तू कह रहा देखी है तो
मैंने ये देख लिया।
मैंने पूरी देखी है।
पूरी देख लिया।
लाइफ का अच्छा आंसर वीडियो जल्दी
どうぞ右手は奥がいっぱい空いております。なおこちらシアターになります。写真撮影動画撮影できません。
शायद सुमन आ जा। आगे नहीं।
अरे सुमन आगे बैठ।
मतलब बैठ 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 जल्दी तीसरे में बैठ। अभी यार 2 हो गए। तीसरे पे आ जाओ। चल 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 उधर तीसरे में बैठ।
बाकी को खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा 6 मीटर का। पूरी मूवी दिखाएंगे क्या 9 घंटे की?
वो वाली सेम होती तो
कौन सी वाली?
मुंबई में स्टार जैसे कुछ उसमें पूरी सीटें पीछे।
1990年夏 J.K. ローリングはマンチェスターからロンドンに向かう列車の中で物語を思いついた。主人公は魔法使いの少年。舞台はホグワーツという魔法魔術学校。その時心に浮かんだキャラクターや魔法の世界がこんなにも長く愛され
I'm Emma Watson.
I'm Rupert Grint. For over 10 years, we worked at Warner Brothers Studios, Leavesden. It's quite literally a home away from home.
Being part of the Harry Potter films was an incredible experience for all of us, but it was also a job.
While making these films, we had the privilege of working with the best filmmakers and crews in the world. We were just kids when production started. We grew up here, went to school here, played here, and obviously we filmed here and loved every second. And much of that was down to the people that we worked with.
Our friends included the other actors, of course, but also the huge team of people behind the scenes: wardrobe, hair, makeup.
Props, sound, creature effects, special effects, visual effects, and the animal department. And of course, my fabulous cat, Crookshanks.
It looks like you've been hit in the face by a frying pan. And let's not forget the art department, construction, camera team, the assistant directors, the runners, electricians, carpenters, caterers, and so many more. I know it sounds like a cliche, but it really was like one giant.
This talented family of ours, the crew, they were the real wizards of Hogwarts.
And their magic goes far beyond what you see on screen. Every set, every prop, every costume, creature, character, they are all amazing works of art that had to be designed carefully, then drawn and built before the cameras even started to roll.
And there were loads of them. Dozens of creatures, hundreds of sets, thousands of costumes, hundreds of thousands of props.
They included handwritten books, papers, potion labels, oil paintings, tapestries that were designed just for the films.
Many of our sets didn't last long at all. Some stay standing for years, such as the Great Hall and Gryffindor Common Room. Others would be gone in a matter of days.
And through it all, it was the film crew's incredible creativity, artistic talent, and dedication that made the magical world of Harry Potter real, and made our real world magical. The world of movie magic that was our home for 10 years.
Oh, one more thing. We're going to reveal some closely held secrets about the magic of Harry Potter, so I just want to warn you. You may never look at Quidditch the same way again.
Finally. आजा इसमें जाके
We decided that looking where we works so that the magic takes place in the scene.
ग्रेट हॉल है ग्रेट हॉल
화석 있던데 거기를 집 전체에
देखो यहाँ पे
Concept art, of course, is very important. We start with my little pencil doodles. I then do a rough architectural scale plan and elevation and give that to the illustrator.
Stuart, most of the time, either did a sketch himself or one of the concept artists who we worked with would produce a beautiful concept art.
Concept art is a great way for a lot of ideas.
मोटी किस्मत
There's a reason the symbol of Slytherin House is a serpent. Salazar Slytherin was a parcel mouth. He could talk to snakes too.
Exactly. Now the whole school's going to think you're his great-great-great-grandson or something. But I'm not. It can't be.
ハリー、ね、蛇がスリザリンの
前に秘密の部屋が開かれた時汚れた血がしだから今回あいつらの誰かが殺される
तो फोटो क्या रेस्ट करने
मेरी खींच दे इसको रेस्ट करने
झाड़ू पे इसी बैग में
भाई कितनी बड़ी है ये
बुक्स देख
फोटो नहीं आएगी, फायदा नहीं है। ये पहला वाला है, ये फर्स्ट है, फिर ये बना था
और वो जवान वाला
और ये जवान वाला है जो फैंटास्टिक चीज। तो ये बात मैंने तुझे बताई थी, तुझे याद है?
हाँ मुझे पता।
Oh,